video we will see how to access custom label in Lightning Aura component. So first of all, let's see what is custom label. So according to Salesforce help article, custom labels are custom text values that can be accessed from Apex classes, Visual Force page, Lightning page, or any Lightning component. The values can be translated into any language which are supported by Salesforce, and they are useful for creating multilingual application by automatically presenting information in a user's native language. So we can say that custom labels are some custom values that can be used in application and they are automatically translated into a user's native language. So let's see how to create custom labels. For that you have to go to setup from this gear icon. So setup, after that search for custom labels. Click on custom label. After that click on new custom label. From here you can create a custom label. You have to give the description, name will be automatically populated, and the value which you want for this custom label. And as you can see, I have already created two custom label for this video. First one is news, where I have pasted some lorem ipsum text, and the next one is welcome message, where I have pasted welcome and my name. So now let's see how to access custom labels. So from Salesforce help guide you can see in Aura component we have to use label.c.label name syntax for accessing custom label. Here C is the namespace. So for any org which doesn't have any namespace, then the default namespace is C, and if any org has any namespace, then we have to use that namespace. So let's see it in action. So I am going to an Aura component. Let's create some UI, and then we will access the custom label. So let's write Aura handler, name is init. So I want to show one custom label, two custom label on the UIs. One is welcome message and one is news. News will be set from the controller of our Aura component, and the welcome message will be set from the component. So, and we will be set news custom label using the doInit method, which will be called whenever the Aura component is loaded. So let's create it. Value, which is copy paste one attribute which I have created. So this is the attribute I have created. Now let's create a lightning card. Title equals to, now here we will access the custom label. I want to show the title of lightning card as the welcome message. So here we will write $label, and let's write label and the namespace. So in this org we doesn't have any namespace, so I will use C. After that we have to use the name for that label. So for welcome message we have this name, welcome underscore message. So I will use this welcome underscore message, and let's close this component and let's see if it is reflecting or not. So it is giving me error for Aura set an attribute of aura component from aura controller using that custom label. So this is the attribute which I have added. Let me remove this comment also, so we can use the method. We will create the method called doInit in our aura controller, and here we will print those values. So let me use p tag, and here we will print the news value. Currently it is giving error because we are having some issues here. Okay, I have missed the column, and doInit method we will create. So do init function component comma event comma helper. After that we have to set our attribute. So component dot set the name of the attribute. So v dot news. Now if we want to set a value of custom label to any attribute of aura component, then we have to use $a dot get. We want to get the label. So label, then the namespace, then the name of the label, and semicolon, save it. Let's wait it for getting the save. Also save the component and close brace. Let me see on which line it is saying unclosed. Lightning card we have already closed. Aura handler is here, and it is using init. Value is this. Action is doInit. Aura attribute type string. Okay. After that we are using news, which is also closed. Lightning card is here. Let's save it again. I think here we are getting an error. Let me just place one comma. And we have missed the exclamatory icon here also. And now let's refresh the page, and we must see lorem ipsum text loaded here. As you can see, it is loaded. So this is how we access a custom label using aura component or in an aura component. So we have to do one thing, just need to use label dot namespace dot label name if we are setting it directly into aura component, and if we want to set any attribute of aura component using the custom label, then we have to use $get and then pass label.c.news as a parameter, and it will set our attribute to the custom label value. So this is how we access custom label in Lightning Aura component. And if you like to learn using text documents, then I have already created one blog for that.